guys. Today we're going to be talking about the built-in functions in Python. So we'll be looking at regular built-in function versus the user-defined functions. And there are two distinct categories for functions in the world of Python. We have one that's, exercises we've been written so far, the user-defined functions, functions that are written by us, right? And then another one called the built-in functions, functions that come built into Python for us to use. Remember when we were using the print or the str? Both of these functions are built into the language for us, which means that we have been using built-in functions all along. There are lots of different built-in functions that we can use in our programs. Take a look at the example of using the len to get the length of the string. So this would output the length of destination. And here we're using a total of two built-in functions in our example, the print and the len. And yes, if you're wondering, that is a real railway station in India. So it's pretty nice. And then here are even more obscure ones like help, where Python will print a link to the documentation for us and provide some details. So this would essentially output a collection of string constants, and then it gives you like the resources. So that's actually very cool. I didn't know about this one. So check all the latest built-in functions in the official Python docs right here. So let's go ahead and practice using a few of them. You will need to rely on the provided Python documentation links to find your answers. Okay, so before I begin this, I want to say if you guys are trying to land an internship or job, or want to make your resume look good, or you want to join cool programs that will help you get ahead in your career, anything like that, I have a free guide down in the description. It's the first link. Check it out. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right back into it. So we were provided a list of prices for some gift shop items: the t-shirt, the shorts, the mug, and the poster. Create a variable called max price where we will call the built-in function max with the variable prices to get the maximum price. So, okay, we lost connection, connected back, okay. And then we will do, let's see, max. So we'll do max price, and then equals max. And then we'll do, let's go ahead and just copy paste these honestly. Well, yeah, we'll just go ahead and copy paste these. And finally the poster price right here. Perfect. And then we'll just print out max price. And it is $15.50, like we imagined it, right? Because that's the highest price there. Okay, now using the same set of prices, create a new variable called min price and do the same thing. Okay, so I'm just going to copy paste this for the sake of simplicity. So the max price, and then this one will be our min price. And again, these are built-in functions inside of Python, so you don't need to worry about it. So yeah, so the smallest price we have is $2, perfect. And then round, to round the price of the variable called t-shirt. Okay, so let's go ahead and round. So we'll do rounded price equals equals round, and then t-shirt price, and then we will print out the rounded price. Okay, did it work? Let me see. Did you assign a variable to round it to be equal to the result of the round with one decimal place? One decimal place. Okay. All right, so not sure how to do that. Let's go ahead and see. Okay, so we can choose if we want it to be rounded one decimal place. So we can just do that. Fantastic. That makes sense. But yeah, that's how you basically use built-in functions inside of Python. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did find value, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.